guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Megan Yvonne if you're new. If you are a returning subscriber, a new subscriber, welcome back. I so appreciate you guys for tuning into the video. So today's video is all about this green and copper look right here. Especially in the fall and winter months, I love incorporating color in my wardrobe. If you haven't seen my latest video, I did a girls' night out look and that was full of color as well. So I will link that up in the cards as well as in the description box. But if you're interested in seeing how I got this look right here, stay tuned for the video. Hi guys, so let's jump right in. So right here, I'm just putting on my foundation. It's my same routine that I like to do my base first when I'm doing an eyeshadow look. Sometimes I do my base first, but I wasn't anticipating that I would have too much of a fallout. I did put some translucent powder down, but I am still using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Magic Touch concealer. I really like this concealer. I really liked how the finish was, so I'm using it again as my shadow base and as my highlighting concealer. I'm also using my Fenty Beauty matchstick to do my contour, and then I'm just setting my concealer on my eyes with some translucent powder. Of course, it's the Laura Mercier translucent powder in the shade Translucent Honey. Then I'm going to go ahead and blend out the rest of this concealer on my face, and I'll go ahead and add some translucent powder after that. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my bronzer. I'm using that to do some contour on my nose as well as the rest of my face, and then I'm going to use it as my transitional color for my eyeshadow look. Then I'm going to go in with this beautiful emerald green color. So you guys, let me tell you about this look, because originally what I had planned was to do a halo eyeshadow look with the mustard color, and that'll be coming pretty soon, as I go through the look. But then I was looking at it and I was like, I think I want to add a different color, so we'll get into that. But right here, I'm just continuing to build up the emerald green color, and it's taking on the shape of like a blown out wing, so I just went with that. But here is where I was adding here is where I was adding more concealer to accomplish the halo look. So if you pay attention, you see that I'm applying my concealer more so just kind of in the center of my eye, not really shaping it to the wing that's on the actual eyelid that I've created. So again, I'm still going to go in because I'm going to do this halo eye look. That was the plan. That's what I was working on. So I'm going in and I'm just patting my concealer on gently, trying to make sure that both eyes are even. And then I'm adding the mustard yellow color. So as I add this mustard yellow color, I'm like, it's not giving me the pop that I'm looking for. It's not doing what I wanted it to do. So I'm still continuing with my plan to do my halo mustard yellow color, but I'm still like, I'm not really feeling this. Again, adding that emerald green color, and it was another kind of greenish color. It was just a little lighter, so I was adding that closer in. And the more I was adding the color, the more I was just not feeling it. So I decided to go over it with this copper color, and I was like, oh, that's really pretty. I really like how that looks. So I decided to just keep going with the copper color. And the more I looked at it, I'm like, I'm not feeling the halo eyes, so let me take my copper color just a little further in on the eyeshadow look, and I was more pleased with this look. It gave me just like a different color that you wouldn't think to pair these two colors together, but I like how it turned out, and it made for really great pictures. So right here, I'm just taking my time to just clean up under that eyeshadow, get any fallout, and I'm just using my translucent powder to do that. Then I'm going to go ahead and use my liquid liner by Anastasia to do my wing liner on both eyes, and being sure not to go or over exaggerate my wing. Then I'm just using my brush to, you know, make sure I take care of that fallout and like clean up and sharpen up the lines under my eyeshadow. And then I'm using my brightening powder right here, and this is the Charlotte Tilbury setting powder in the shade 3. And then I'm going to add a little bit of that greenish color under on my lower lash line, as well as some black liner, then some mascara to prep my lashes, both my top and my lower lashes, before I actually put on my falsies. So I do add my falsies off camera just for it to be easier to see, but right here I'm just using my setting powder to go over all of my face, and then I added a little bit of blush, and here I am doing my liner. So I was going to do like a copper color liner, but it wasn't as coppery as I wanted, so I just opted for a nude lip, and that's what I did. And yeah, that's the look. I spray my face and then I'm out of here. Thank you guys for staying tuned to the end of the video. I do so appreciate your support. If you're new here, my new videos go live every Tuesday and Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern time. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It will help the channel and get the channel out to see more viewers. I would so appreciate that. Also, go ahead, take a look around, see what other videos I have that you might be interested in. I do have a video showing you how I get my waves, so how I get my curls this way. I will link that up in the cards as well as in the description box. And also, if you're wondering like, well, how did you get your eyebrows to match, you know, your hair? If you don't know, my hair is not, my natural hair color is not a cinnamon brown or a ginger color. So I did do a video on how I get my hair to match my eyebrow hair without using any dye or bleach. I will link that up in the cards as well as in the description box as well. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I would so love to have you join the family. We're growing over here and we're having tons of fun. And when you subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell and make sure you're hitting all notifications so you can be notified each and every time I upload a video. Also, go ahead, comment below. Tell me, what do you do in the winter and fall months as far as color is concerned? Are you more of a black, navy, gray, brown type person? Or are you more of a like, give me all the color. I need the brightness because the sun is not out as long and I need the brightness somewhere in my life. I look forward to talking to you in the comments, and yeah, go ahead and share this video with your family and friends. I would so appreciate that. And for those of you who are sharing the video, thank you so much. I so appreciate that. Don't forget to follow me on social media. Everywhere my handles are at Megan Yvonne TV. So I'm on TikTok, I'm on Instagram, I'm on Twitter, I'm on what else am I? I'm on Facebook. Yeah, I'm on Facebook. Everywhere, just search at Megan Yvonne TV, and I would love to have you join that family as well. So yeah, I love talking to you today. I'm thankful for your support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye!